So, the Business Success Circle. Well, welcome to something just a little bit different for your business. Now, the workshops have been set up to help business owners like you take one morning per month out of the business to improve your knowledge and your skills in operations, systems, marketing, development, growing your business and your network so that you can actually get the business that your hard work truly deserves. Each monthly workshop will have different topics and subjects written and presented by my good self and expert guest speakers and presenters as well. Now, every month they will be designed to give you as much value as possible with ideas, thoughts and strategies that you can implement into your business within hours of you leaving the workshop. And these workshops will build into a monthly subscription or a monthly membership if you're so inclined, with access to Business Success Circle platforms which are being built as we speak, with a ton of free videos, downloads, tips, ideas and strategies on getting the business that your hard work truly deserves. They will always be up to date and always with you in mind. Now, the first set of workshops are based on 12 months worth of research, coaching and conversations with business owners, experts and real thought leaders, where I'm going to kind of strip back all the complexity of what businesses need to do as we move through some of the most unpredictable times ever known, with some simple strategies and ideas to get your business back on track or in a position to grow. And now I'm going to show you how, why and where these genuinely work. Held at the Best Kept Business Secret Hub here in Leicester City Centre, these are going to be limited ticket only live workshops, and they're going to be held on the last Monday of every month. I'm going to walk with you and talk you through all of these things so that you and your business can be better, stronger and more profitable way before there was such a thing as a global pandemic. It's kind of a bit like your business 2.0. And just for absolute clarity, there is no hard sell, there is no running to the back of the room with a credit card, just interesting subjects and processes that actually work. And if you feel you have not got value from the very short time that we're going to be spending together, I'm going to give you your money back. So actually, it's a win-win. That's the Business Circle. I am Marc Ford and I'm hopefully becoming your best kept business secret.